So I'm in layout 8, I'm gonna right click, move our copy. Tell it to go kind of at the end, because on yours you don't have that. So I'm gonna create a copy and say okay. So I get the new one here. So I'm gonna click over to it. I'm gonna go to my setup, my page setup. So, not that one. Go to print. Because going either through the page setup manager or print gets you to this box. Print is the easiest way to get to it. Like it's 2 less clicks. So I prefer going here to make changes. And I'm going to change this to ANSI B, expand, boom. And I'm going to hit apply to layout. Not okay. What happens if I hit okay here? It's going to make a PDF, right? Do I want a PDF right now? No. So I hit cancel, and there I go. So now I need a stretch. So stretch. Like I said, what do I need to do to select it? Right to left. So I'm going to get over here on the right side, go all the way over to here. Things that are all the way inside of it are going to move. Oh, I have mine locked. There we go. There we go. From there to there. So things that are all the way inside of it are just moving. See that? And things that are crossed are stretching. So I just need to point it the way I want to go. And how much do I need to make it longer?
16 by 10.
So it needs to be 16 by 10, and it was 10, right? So it needs to go another 6. And it was 7.5, and I want to make it 10. So I'm going to go from here to here. Point up, and that's 2.5. There you go.
Thank you.
Okay. So remember, crossing window, cross over everything. If I had just done here, what's going to happen? Yeah, only that corner is going to move. See? So that the stuff that's all the way in it, my revision block goes up with me. And for you, I didn't give you that information, so you just have just the 2 corner lines going up and pick. So just go, make sure you go all the way across. And this is one you have to pick the command first. This is one of those couple in the first day that I said you have to pick the command first on, because if you don't, it doesn't know what to move and what to stretch. And you can't do multiple selections. So if I do that and then I come back and pick something else, oh, it ignored that second one. Sometimes it kind of gets wishy-washy on what it's gonna go. So like if I can't do here and here. Oh shit, they fix it. Oh, but you can see that top corner didn't get selected. Like these lines right here aren't going, even though they should have, right? Because that other piece is going, but the thing it's connected to didn't move. So when you can't do multiple selections there, unless. So under the regular stretch command, you can't. If I go in here to Express Tools, these are things that start out as kind of add-ins that people created on their own, because there's a lot of ways to customize AutoCAD. There's some things that are really kind of simple, and there are other things like if you guys went last Thursday to the